we believe with collective global effort, we can make significant advances on what we accomplished in the response to COVID-19. We are also looking, coronaviruses are a very important threat. We have experienced a severe pandemic with the coronavirus that has a mortality rate of less than 1%, but we know that SARS has a mortality rate of 10%, MERS of 35%. There could be future coronaviruses that are more threatening than the one we face currently. We believe the world needs to develop broadly protective vaccines against a broad range of coronaviruses, not just COVID-19, and we will make major investments focused against that. And finally, we believe that we also need to expand the range of protection against other viruses. And I mentioned the strategy that we successfully used to accelerate development of vaccines against COVID. We'd like to expand that approach to cover the gamut of viral families that we know present threats to the world.